It's a great looking winch bumper, but it's missing something. A winch. We're gonna take care of that. We're gonna install the Rough Country Pro 9500S synthetic rope winch. Comes with the synthetic rope, obviously, the Haas Fair lead, 5.5 horsepower motor, and has an IP67 dust and waterproof rating. Let's get this Haas Fair lead installed on the bumper. That's a good looking fair lead. The winch is secured to the bumper using the supplied hardware, which includes this bolt, lock washer, flat washer, and special square nut. The nuts slip into cavities at the bottom of the winch. I'm gonna go ahead and put those in, and we'll see if I can walk it over without them falling out. Best thing about a synthetic rope winch is it is much lighter than a steel cable winch. No, I'm just playing. Look at that. So I've taken the lead wires from the winch and routed them up into the battery, being sure to avoid any moving parts or anything that gets hot. And now we're gonna go ahead and install the leads. Both the wires are black. The ends indicate the polarization. So red to positive, black to ground. Last step on the winch install is going to be to install the actual winch hook. And I'm also going to go ahead and install the included D-rings onto the bumper so that we have something to clip the hook to. And that's it. That's all there is to install in the Rough Country Pro 95S synthetic rope winch. I'm Gaston for Rough Country. Thanks for sticking around.